behind the line. 3, 2, 1, crescendo!
And Match 68 is now underway. Begins with Autobots on the Red Alliance scoring their preloaded note in the amp, trying to grab another, unfortunately not quite keeping a hold of it. Red Alliance, however, scoring 3 notes total on Autonomous, and Blue Alliance picking up 4. And on that Blue Alliance, Red Tie Robotics grabbing another note from their own speaker side and handily tossing that into Blue's speaker. Meanwhile, Alliance partners Deep Blue have a hold of one themselves. Red Tie, though, already going back once again and scoring again in Blue's speaker. And despite each alliance having scored 6 game pieces apiece, it is Blue who has the lead. And on the Red Alliance trying to make that up, Autobots getting yet another note scored on the amp. Phantom Cats, meanwhile, coming back from across field with a note, unfortunately losing their grip of it, but they are quickly able to grab that again. Seems like they are heading over to their amp. Meanwhile, 9519 Demoraz Robotics on the Red Alliance approaching their speaker, and they do manage to get that scored into a now amplified red speaker. And that's enough to bring our Red Alliance's score closer, down by just 5 points for the time being. Seems like Demoraz is across field, coming back with a note, trying to do the same, although they will have to make their way around the defense of 4669 with those wings spread wide. With a minute to go, Blue Alliance is ahead, but by just 4 points, although soon to be 5, courtesy of that note scored in the amp from Red Tie. And speaking of, Red Tie across field, trying to grab a note from the human player. Their second try, they come back with it. And both of our alliances have their amps full, 2 notes apiece. They still have a few seconds left in which they can try and amplify. We'll see who makes it there first. Unfortunately, seems Deep Blue's shot first falling a little bit short for Blue, perhaps, but Blue now amplifying that speaker, pulling ahead. Blue with a more sizable lead now. As with 15 seconds left, we are into our endgame period. Phantom Cats on the Red Alliance, their stage is spotlit with a high note, trying to get up in the air. 5 seconds left. Seems like their alliance partners also joining them on the stage. 3 seconds left. Blue Robots rushing into park, and Phantom Cats trying to get up in the air. With the score of 55-36. Blue Alliance picking up 3 ranking points, and Red Alliance earning 1, as both alliances earned that Melody bonus RP. And now, for another look at that match, let's take it over to our game analysts.